A well-planned schedule is critical to project success. It outlines what needs to be done, when, and by whom. When optimized, the project schedule becomes more than a timeline. It's a powerful tool that can drive efficiency, reduce costs, and streamline processes. A good project schedule maximizes efficiency, saves time, and supports seamless execution. Project scheduling involves organizing tasks within a defined time frame and using allocated resources to achieve project goals. Effective scheduling goes beyond assigning dates and deadlines. It also includes managing the scope, understanding the timeline, and optimizing the use of resources. Several project scheduling methods exist, each with advantages depending on the project type and complexity. For example, the critical path method identifies the sequence of dependent tasks, determining the minimum project duration, helping managers focus on high priority activities. Agile scheduling emphasizes iterative cycles and quick adjustments, which is helpful in dynamic environments. Familiarity with these techniques provides a solid foundation for creating an efficient project schedule. Setting clear objectives is the starting point for an efficient project schedule. These objectives should be broken down into specific, measurable milestones to allow progress tracking and prevent overwhelming the team with complex tasks. Breaking a project into achievable milestones ensures the work is delivered incrementally, keeping team members motivated and focused on tangible goals. One practical approach to milestone setting is prioritizing all the high priority tasks. This ensures essential components are completed early or in phases to reduce risk and better manage resources. For instance, prioritizing critical path activities can help avoid delays and keep the project moving smoothly. A realistic schedule requires a thorough assessment of all available resources. This involves evaluating factors such as time, budget, and resources to determine whether they're sufficient to meet project demands. A clear understanding of available resources can prevent bottlenecks later in the project. Resource allocation should be flexible, allowing adjustments based on the project's progress. An overallocated team, for example, can lead to burnout and inefficiencies, while underutilization results in lost productivity. Balancing workloads and adjusting resources as necessary improves overall efficiency, helping the project stay on schedule even as priorities may shift. Selecting the right scheduling tool is crucial for optimizing your project schedule. A good tool can streamline project management, support real world updates, enhance collaboration among team members, and inform optimizations. Popular options like Microsoft Project, Asana, and Trello offer various features suited for different project types. For example, Microsoft Project's resource leveling function can smooth resource usage over time, avoiding under and over allocation. When choosing a scheduling tool, consider project size, complexity, and team dynamics. Larger projects with multiple stakeholders and complex dependencies may benefit from a tool with more advanced features, such as Gantt charts and task dependency management. For smaller teams, simple and user friendly tools like Trello may suffice. Automating routine updates and real time task tracking features can improve schedule accuracy and keep the project on track. Critical path method, or CPM, is a scheduling technique that identifies the sequence of dependent tasks to determine the project's minimum completion time. CPM helps project managers recognize which tasks must be prioritized, as any delay in a critical path will likely delay the entire project. Calculating the critical path allows managers to direct resources toward high impact tasks, preventing potential scheduling conflicts and bottlenecks. To use CPM effectively, identify all necessary project tasks and define their dependencies. Once the critical path is established, monitor its progress closely and allocate additional resources to ensure these high priority tasks are completed on time. By focusing on the critical path, project managers can minimize risks of delays, optimize resource allocation, and make informed decisions about task prioritization. No matter how detailed the schedule may be, unforeseen challenges are inevitable. Building contingency time for critical tasks is essential to account for unexpected events like scope changes, technical issues, or resource shortages. To calculate appropriate contingency time, project managers can consider the complexity of tasks, historical project data, probability and impacts of risks, and consult with team members with experience in similar projects. A standard method for less complex projects is adding a percentage of the estimated task duration as a buffer. Incorporating contingency time reduces stress, allows for flexibility, and helps maintain project momentum when changes arise. Creating an optimized project schedule isn't a one-time task. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments. As the project progresses, schedules should be updated to reflect the team's performance, unexpected delays, changes to scope, or plans, or new priorities. Periodic check-ins, such as weekly or bi-weekly status meetings, can ensure alignment with the timeline and offer opportunities to make necessary adjustments. Using performance metrics and real-time data to track progress allows project managers to catch deviations early and take corrective action. Keeping stakeholders informed about adjustments is also vital, as it helps manage expectations and reinforces transparency in the project process. Efficient task sequencing and dependency management are critical to an optimized schedule. Dependencies, tasks that rely on others be completed first, can significantly impact the project timeline if not appropriately managed. Types of dependencies include finish to start, where one task must finish before another can start, and start to start, where two tasks can start simultaneously, but one may require partial completion of another. Identifying dependencies early in the planning phase allows for better sequencing and can help avoid delays. For instance, starting on independent tasks or overlapping specific tasks can help maximize resource utilization and minimize idle time. Effective task sequencing ensures that the project flows smoothly and that team members can work effectively without waiting on others to complete their tasks. Effective communication is essential for an optimized schedule. The project schedule should be transparent and accessible to everyone involved. Visual representations like Gantt charts, timelines, can help team members understand the project structure and stay aligned with the timeline. Regular communication through updates and meetings reinforces accountability and allows team members to voice concerns and request clarification. Holding a kickoff meeting at the project's start is a great way to review the schedule, clarify roles, and ensure everyone understands the timeline and key milestones. Continued communication keeps stakeholders and team members aligned, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone works toward the shared goals. An optimized project schedule is critical to achieving maximum efficiency. Project managers can create a powerful timeline that enhances productivity by setting clear objectives and milestones, assessing resources realistically, choosing the right tools, and implementing strategic scheduling methods like CPM. Building in contingency time and maintaining flexibility further supports the project's momentum, while regular monitoring and clear communication ensure alignment and readiness to tackle any challenges. Creating an efficient project schedule requires careful planning, communication, and ongoing adjustments. By following these strategies, project managers and teams can stay on track, adapt to changes, and deliver successful results with minimum disruptions. Thanks again for watching, everyone. If you're getting value from this content, please like, share, and consider subscribing. It means the world to us and helps get the word out to others who need to hear these tips. Once again, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon with another tip.